Users have to type their credit card numbers perfectly to avoid frustrating payment errors. Let's explore how real-time validation can instantly alert users to mistakes and improve the checkout experience. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 582 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Luhn, validate the credit card number field. Luhn validation checks if the card number entered by a user is plausible. Keep in mind, this check doesn't verify the card with the payment processor. It just ensures that the number entered could be valid without confirming if the card has sufficient funds. During our testing, we observed participants frequently making typos in their credit card numbers without receiving proper feedback. For example, on Backcountry's website, they didn't use Luhn validation to verify the credit card. Even though the number was typed incorrectly, no error message was shown after the user left the form field. Simply alerting users upfront that the card number they entered contains a typo can save them from submitting an invalid card number. This allows them to correct the error before completing the payment form. Luhn validation significantly reduces the time users spend trying to figure out and fix mistakes. Since errors can be corrected immediately after typing, the process is much smoother. For example, a user entered their credit card number incorrectly, typing 83 instead of 38. At Wayfair, live Luhn validation immediately flagged the error, allowing the user to correct it while the input was still fresh in their mind. Similarly, Adidas uses Luhn validation, notifying users right after they leave the field if there's an issue with their credit card number. During testing, we saw a clear difference between sites that employed Luhn validation and those that didn't. Users were frustrated and confused when they received a card payment error on sites without Luhn validation, which slowed down their checkout process as they tried to fix the problem. In contrast, users on sites that employed live Luhn validation were able to quickly fix typos, often recognizing the mistake as soon as they made it. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your payment flow, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.